from a dream in your eyes, precious things, humming hearts and beating wings. We could fly if we could only see. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. There's a field of dream and sleep, past the edge of what is seen. Meet me there, that's where I'll be. We'll lie in the grass and forget everything. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life.
Tayo nag-aalay ng bulaklak, tayo nagpuposisyon, tayo nagpaparada. May iba't ibang klase pa ng rain na isang araw, ako'y dumaan din dito. Oh, dami nag-aalay punong-puno Ano? Pero, yun nga, yun ay isang pamamaraan ng ating pagmamahal sa ating mahal na Birheng Maria.
Salamat po, Birhen, sa araw na ito. Sa magandang panahon, pinagkaloob mo. O Birhen, minamahal, ang samo ko ay pakinggan. Ang barkadang ito, laging mo'y iingatan. Patnubayan aking magulang sa kanilang pagsisikap. Matapos sa pag-aaral, maabot ang pangarap.
Ina ng awa at biyayang walang hanggan. Ang ibig sabihin ng iyong pangalan. Thank you for taking care of my family back in America and in the Philippines. We love you and are grateful for all that you do, and thank you for all that you do in the future to protect us and care for us.
Unang-una po, marami pong salamat sa ating Patron Nuestra Señora de la Gracia. Binigyan po tayo ng magandang panahon, masisiglang tao, maraming nakilahok sa amin simula kaninang umaga hanggang matapos ang aming alay. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong pagdalo, lalo-lalo na po sa aming mga angels na sama-samang gumagawa at para mapaganda at maihandog sa inyo ang masayang kasiyahang ito.
Close your eyes and make your wish. Ready, count, and one! Blow slow! Yay! Happy birthday! Happy
ito pa lang ang umpisa ng lahat. Sana kahit sa pagtanda nyo, huwag mo babaguhin ang samahan ninyo. Pinatunayan nyo lang kung gaano kayo kasolid. Talagang saludo ko sa buong grupo. Kahit malayo kayo sa isa't isa, you made it a point to be here to celebrate this extravagant celebration. I love you guys. I love you. Maraming salamat at happy 50th birthday sa aking mga kaanghel. Kaway naman dyan, mga kaanghel. Maraming salamat. Cheers to more blessed life. Salamat po.